Hi, everybody. Professor Benlow, a little motivation to start the week off. Want to remind you important due dates. Of course, um, I will be having my office hours as normally scheduled on Monday, and our chat will be as normally scheduled on Tuesday. Very extremely important, your remaining Unit 2 due dates. Firstly, you have your discussion board responses due Tuesday, the 28th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also, you have Unit 2 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time as well. You also, um, very important to know, you also have to have those responses in by Tuesday or they will not be accepted. So once again, Tuesday, the 28th of May is the absolute last day for you to turn in your discussion board responses. You will not receive credit for those after that day. So please get in this extremely important assignment. Also, your Unit 3 due dates, Friday, which will be May 31st. You have your Unit 3 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, which will be June 4th, you have your Unit 3 in Telepath. I really want you to concentrate on getting that Unit 2 discussion board in. I'm always here for you if you have any questions. And remember, you can do it. Stay CTU strong, everybody. And please don't hesitate to call, to discuss anything with me, to contact me with absolutely any questions. Have a good one. I hope you've been having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Have a good one.